For this edition of In the Kitchen, we are going to be making eggplant parm.
Delicious! First, preheat your oven for 400 degrees Fahrenheit.
For this recipe, you're going to need 15 tablespoons of melted butter, 2.5 cups of cornflakes, 1¼ cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 2½ teaspoons of salt, a dash of pepper, 5 small eggplants, 5 eggs, 5 cups of marinara sauce, and 10 ounces of shredded mozzarella cheese.
Crush up the cornflakes.
Then beat the eggs.
Pour your butter into your pan.
Now we're going to add our eggs onto one pan, and then our cornflakes, Parmesan, salt, and pepper onto the other.
Peel them eggplants. Peel them.
Now slice your eggplant into rounds, about 3/4 of an inch thick.
Oh wait, you got the knife now. Oh! Oh!
The kitchen tricks.
You see that?
Is that one slice?
Yeah. Grab each slice of eggplant and dip it all sides through the egg. Then do the same in your cornflake mix and put it on your baking sheet.
Now we're going to bake them in the oven for 20 minutes.
Then take it out of the oven and put tomato sauce on it as well as mozzarella.
Now put them back in the oven for 3 minutes.
Now you finished your eggplant parm. Feel free to serve on a small plate. I like it in a sandwich.
Stay tuned for next episode of In the Kitchen, where we make a brand new meal.
From Flyer News, this is Jack Berry.
And I'm Tyler Garofalo.
Safe cooking, Flyers.